Hello, dear students. Good morning. What is a lead acid battery? The lead acid battery is one of the oldest type of rechargeable batteries. These batteries were invented in the year 1859 by the French physicist Gaston Planche. Despite having a small energy to volume ratio and a very low energy to weight ratio, its ability to supply a high surge contents reveals that the cells have a relatively large power to weight ratio. Lead acid batteries can be classified as secondary batteries. The chemical reactions that occur in secondary cells are reversible. The reactants that generate an electric current in these batteries via chemical reactions can be regenerated by passing current through the battery, that is, recharging. The chemical processes of extracting current from a secondary battery, that is, forward reaction, is called discharging. The method of regenerating active material is called charging. Sealed lead acid battery. The sealed lead acid battery consists of a 6 cells mounted side by side in a single case. The cells are coupled together and each 2-volt cells added up to the overall 12 volts capacity of the battery. Despite being relatively heavy, lead acid batteries are still performed over other lightweight options owing to their ability to deliver large surge of the electricity, which is required to start a cold engine in an automobile. A completely charged lead acid battery is made up of a stack of alternating lead oxide electrodes, isolated from each other by layers of porous separators. All these parts are placed in a concentrated solution of a sulfuric acid. Intercell connectors connect the positive end of one cell to the negative end of the next cell. Hence, the 6 cells are in a series. Chemical reaction for discharging. When the battery is discharged, it acts as a galvanic cell, and the following chemical reaction occurs. Lead sulfate is formed at both the electrodes. 2 electrons are also transferred in the complete reaction. The lead acid battery is packed in a thick rubber or plastic case to prevent leakage of the corrosive sulfuric acid. Lead acid battery charging. The sulfuric acid existing in the lead discharge battery decomposes and needs to be replaced. Sometimes the plates change their structure by themselves. Eventually, the battery becomes less efficient and should be charged or changed. When car batteries spend considerable duration of a time in their discharge states, the lead sulfate build-up may become extremely difficult to remove. This is the reason why lead acid batteries must be charged as soon as possible to prevent building up of lead sulfate. Charging of the lead batteries is usually done by providing an external current source. Plug is inserted which is linked to the lead acid battery, and chemical reaction proceeds in the opposite direction. In case where the sulfuric acid in the battery or some other component of the battery has undergone decomposition, the charging process may become inefficient. Therefore, it is advisable to check the battery periodically. Chemical reaction for the recharging. The chemical reaction that takes place when lead acid battery is recharging can be found below. While recharging, the automobile battery functions like an electrolytic cell. The energy required to drive the recharging comes from an external source such as an engine of a car. It is also important to note that overcharging of the battery could result in the formation of byproducts such as hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. These gases tend to escape from the battery, resulting in the loss of reactants. Advantages and disadvantages of a lead acid battery. Although lead acid batteries are widely used because they have a number of distinct advantages, they also have several major disadvantages. All these need to be considered when deciding upon whether to use this technology or not. Advantages of a lead acid battery. It's a mature technology, relatively cheap to manufacture and buy. They provide lowest cost per unit capacity for rechargeable cells. Large current capability can be made for a variety of applications. Tolerant to abuse, tolerant of overcharging, a wide range of sizes and specifications available. Many producers worldwide. Disadvantages of a lead acid battery. Fails after a few years use, lifespan typically 300 to 500 cycles. Cannot always be used in a variety of orientations. Corrosive electrolyte can use burns to people and corrosion on a metalwork. Lead is not environmental friendly. Acid needs disposing of with care. Not suitable for fast charging. Must be stored in charge state once electrolyte introduced. Typical charging efficiently only around 70%.